Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of banned account on the application of Brave app. You will click on settings. In this list we click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above we will search about Brave app and you will click here. Then in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here we go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Brave. Then we can uninstall your app and you can uninstall it again. So please don't forget to support us, bell icon, subscribe.